Morning, guys. How are you? It's a beautiful Tuesday. We are here appreciating Mother Nature. As we start the day, we have to be grateful. So the recipe of the day, kazi ya chef ni kukula mabaki makomba ya chef.
Oh, the hot sauce. You know, sorry, salt.
Chili sauce.
Salt and sauce. Salt
Nataka
and
chumvi
sauce.
ya sauce.
Okay, sasa ndio sijui ni sauce gani.
Hot sauce kama
No,
chili.
we ate it yesterday. No, not that one. It's in a.
Yaani uko na
small
ile
one.
ile iko kama tomato sauce.
Yeah, that's it. And the salt.
This one? Yeah, glass, yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, thank you.
So guys, me I'm addicted to fruits. As you can see, these things you cannot find them easily in Gulf. More so like pineapples, they are so expensive. So the camera is the balance here. So as you can see, the marrow, the banana. I saw the banana darkening up. I said no. So I'm using the banana, melon, pineapple, avocado. This is marrow. It's the cousin to the cucumber. And we have the papaya. Welcome. African tea also. I didn't put sugar. It looks like this. This is how we make our tea. You have to let it boil very good. And if you wish, you can make omelette and bread. As you can see behind me, it's rice. Guys, so we've started our day like that because sometimes we overwork. Like now it's almost 10 or 11. It's heading to 11. And in fact it's 12. It's 11:56. 4 minutes to 12. Whereby we're supposed to cook for our guests again a different recipe. This is how you need to eat good in Africa. Mayai imefunjika. Itafanywaje?
They drop the spoons.
You need another one?
Yeah, I have this.
Umwone kwa stand. Kijikongeni in amount. So fruits are good in the morning because me I love them, because if I can't take fruits I take porridge, I take hot water, because I take long time to sit down and take tea. But when I find fruits like that, because the electricity is not there, so that's why I'm using the fruits. It was for the pudding for the guests here. After they are full, we have some like bananas, they get stale. So instead of them getting stale, I prefer to eat it. We make another fresh one. Let me enjoy. See you in a while. at that view, guys. The sun is here. The sun is good. Ndio nilikwambia mayai imepasuka. So we are basking the sun just from the house. The weather looks so cool, guys. We need to appreciate Mother Nature. So guys, as you can see, I'm cutting the beef now for lunch. It's not even beef, it's a goat meat. So I'm cutting the chops. I'm trying to chop it good. You have to chop it very nice. For the soups. So this is the goat meat. Today I'm a butcher guy. Butcher man, butcher. It's not a butcher, but it's a home. That's from Mara's Villa. Oh, I have a strong board here. That's what I'm using. So you can see this is the beef from vvip. This is the mukia. You know the mukia? The goat's tail. So the tail is so good, guys. Was a sheep. Oh, kumbe inakuwa maji ndani. Sorry. I cut and it came with water. So I'm showing them how you make the traditional goat at home. It has satisfied me. maini, like the river, or a desert. Mahini, you know mahini, the river. I put it aside because it was very fast. So now I cut these are the hips of a goat. It has a lot of cartilage. Nimeweka nini? Nimeweka hii nini?
It's not fair.
Nimeweka hii material. Si meza, nimeweka. Unaona ukiweka hapa kwa meza, unapasua sasa, lazima uweke either kwa gunia, ndio uongelee.
Sababu unaona ile tile.
Sawa.
I can help you because time is waiting.
So I'm done, guys. Now it's what it is the time. But no pressure. I've done it, guys. I'm done. Whew. Me and my knives, I rest my case. You see, me and my knife. So I'm done, guys. Now, so the beef is here. I'm done carrying it. So this one I put it somewhere for the dogs to be given. So I will put it separate. Yes, and then I will wash here now. I'll do like this because I can't use a squeezer. So you can see it's empty now.
Hey boss. I got a question. Oh, that's right.
That's all I know. So you need to be on the one portion. So guys, thank you so much for being with me. That was what I wanted to show you. I'm done with cutting the beef, and as you can see, I've washed here the floor with the Omo detergent, and I also use Downy to. That's very happy. No problem. Let's go.
A jar. I want a
Hijab.
yes, plastic jar.
I don't think there's here. Maybe inside or downstairs. I'm not sure. It's okay. Clean. So, my floor is good. Oops. Chukua hizi vyombo mama kwenda huko. Chukua hizi vyombo hizo. Hizo ni za chai yenye umetumia. Alafu upanguze huko. Wewe ndio usiwe mchafu kwa karatasi. Chukua hizi sio kwa maana kwa shida. Chukua hiyo mchafu. Chukua hiyo. Na hizo vyombo. Thank you guys. Thank you for everything. So I'll have to do the cleanness. After I finish, I'll go and take shower again. We don't pay bills for water. So I guess you understand. See you. Love you.
Before zifanye suffocation, I have to reallocate them so as then the combustion is strong. So pia
Unamix hiyo maji huko.
pia unafaa maji lazima ikuwa na oxygen
Yeah.
So as far as it should have oxygen, you should change water after every 1 minute, so as you maintain that oxygen rate onto this basin, so as they don't suffocate. Because you know the oxygen concentration onto this basin is somehow small, or not so the quantity that's just needed onto this. Yeah, so you have to withdraw some water and bring in fresh water that has full compacted oxygen from the source. Yeah, then just survive.
Unaweza shika?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Wewe ndio ushike. Umetosha.
Now the basin is full. They'll just tend to go
Down, and then, yeah.
Anyone looking to suffocate should be withdrawn from this basin as far as possible. Yeah. Before they can just suffocate. We have the big ones here. You can see. We have big ones here. You can see them. And for the first time, I have some catfish. Do you know catfish?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have it here. But then conyes. Yeah, so
they are like a snake, but they can also zinaweza kudunga.
yes.
Yeah.
Majority of these are tilapia.
Yeah. So as we can just use them, so as they can just breed here, so as we can now get.
Yeah, because they breed very fast.
They will control the breeding of these tilapia
Also
fish.
mosquitoes, they are good for mosquitoes.
And mosquitoes.
Yeah.
So guys, that's the hint beyond.
Catfish.
Yes. They will now control the breeding here.
Like eating the fingerlings, those
The
who are
fingerlings,
still young.
Yeah. So as they maintain them, so as we have a good ratio on this pond. Of course, yes.
Yeah.
Big ones, These are red tilapia, you can see.
Yeah.
The red ones, But we have the black tilapia here. Let me check.
This one.
This one.
Yeah, this one.
Oh, this one here. This one is just a bright black tilapia, and the red tilapia. I think I've just shown you. You can see
Yeah.
the difference.
This red and black. No, it's okay. It's moving. Yeah, it's moving.
Sorry. So those are the species we have in terms of the tilapia breeds. So there are just two species here, which is the red and the bright black. And I've just talked about the catfish here, so as they will now maintain the aeration and control the breeding cycle of the tilapia fish.
Yeah.
Underscore gain 2.
Gain 2.
You.
Underscore
gain 2.
Yeah.
Yes. I am a fish farmer. And
So we want to put more fish here in this aquarium. The fish pond for Marwa behind the villa. Yeah.
any kind of any question in terms of
Sweet potatoes and
be able to answer. Thank you.
thank you, Kintu.
Yes.
Thank you for educating us about fish so that we can also have that ability to do a lot in the farming.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you so much. Thank you guys, bye. Good morning.
Recording.
I want to start recording. Yeah. You need to. Habari ya asubuhi. Salama.
Watu wakakatikia kusaidia wote wengi walikuwa kwenye walijitoza wakafunga hiyo window. So
Moja moja. Guys, today we are having guashe and matoke for breakfast. Thank you. Coming. So guys, we are at Maro's villa still working, doing a lot of stuff. We're up there, others are here. So sometimes we have a lot of schedule, too much to do. So I'm supposed to be on a meeting. These are vendors. So I want to take my breakfast and keep it in my room. Inshallah, when I will have time, I will come and eat it. For now, I have to help the chefs upstairs because I don't have time also. Good morning. How are you? Kazi? Hi, good morning. How are you? Good. I will do that. Masuba. Hi, actually, sijui ametoka. So guys, as you can see, we are just trying to change the narrative. We thank Maro for giving us time and enough space for us to do this thing together. Masubo, nani anataka kifungu? Kitiriba, yani simu. Tuende kwanza. Tuende unifungulie niweke chai. Hizi chakula yangu, nipelekee sabuni juu, kisha nikuje kwa meeting. Haki kazi imenishika hata sina muda. Kitiriba wants his phone, yeah. So, nakwambia leo nimeshikana, kazi ni mingi. So, najua nimemaliza chini. Nikuwa napasua hizo mbuzi. So guys, this is our room where we are sleeping. I'm waiting for him to open for me the door. Fungua uchukue simu. There's a meeting. Huyu si wa group. Mwenye kwa committee ndiye anatakana. Okay. So, yeah, because we need also to clean afresh here. So guys, that is pasta coming. Ofisi. So mimi nataka kuweka chai yangu hapo kwa sababu sina muda wa kukula. Okay? Wewe nataka kuweka chakula yangu hapa, sina muda wa kukula. Sijui mtu atamess nayo.
Yaacha tu hapo juu nafunga.
Ukifunga yawa sawa. Itakuwa huku, let my food stay there guys. This guy has a turtle. Turtle or what? A tortoise. It's a turtle. Kuna huyo ako na Hello guys, we are cooking the matokes. We are sorry we didn't start with you. But in the first process you had seen we made beef. Hii sasa hapa punguza moto. Punguza tu moto. Yeah, we were just heating. Already it's cooked. Yeah. So my sister T, it's me T.
Yeah.
She's the one here. She's the pro.
I think I started watching my videos when
Yeah, that's why. Unajua nimezoea hivi. Unaona sasa matokeo imekuwa. So it's good. Alafu what can we need to do something. So we need to garnish also this one with coriander.
Coriander,
Dania,
yeah.
Irushe.
Yeah.
That's we mix.
Yeah.
So it's cooked. The only thing we did, the bananas were fried by the oil.
Yeah.
So now we cooked the tomatoes. We put onions, they cooked so well. So now what we did, we had to mix it. Now I'm going to cut the coriander, which is dania. We garnish it. I throw and then I flip and then I serve. That's the thing. Let me tell you, the passion of being in the kitchen. You keep smiling and sometimes you can do the song, but now YouTube, you don't want us to see.
Yeah.
Now this one is ready. We close it.
We also have rice here.
And the rice is ready, the white rice. We have also the onion for garnishing here, guys. It's because we have a lot of food. We could have done the salad part, but maybe the next meal we will show you.
Yeah.
What we do here is just spread love.
Yeah.
When you cook food with love, you enjoy, the passion comes, and you are like, Thank you, guys. So, guys, we are here again doing the thing. Hata kuweka simu kwa nini ni shida? Aki mimi ushamba itaisha lini? So I'm trying to make salads. Where did this spaghettis are cooking. You can call them pasta. We'll serve them with matoke. Sasa shida ndizi yetu ikipoa, that's the problem. Ndizi itakangi kupoa. Okay. Wangeekewa wakikula wakiongea. But now hawapendi. So I'm helping my sister T here because I usually do housekeeping section, but now she said she's overwhelmed. She needed someone's hand, a shoulder to lean on. I had to frontier myself so that I can help her. The African cook. Yeah, she's a beautiful soul. Go there in her channel, subscribe, like, comment, and tell them I've sent you there so that you can also give her the motivation. In fact, she's doing a great job. Guys, being in the kitchen the whole day, standing, roaming up and down, it's not easy. I've done it, I know it. It's very straining. So I'm helping her to do the salata because we've done the banana, the rice, and also the beef. Now I'm making the salad while the pasta is being cooked. The guests already have settled on the table, but they are doing some videos. So we need also to do our best for them, guys. Feel most welcome in the villa, Mawes village, because the party goes for 1 full month, guys. Yeah, they are almost always welcome before those 30 days. Today is day 4. If you know, you know, guys. Yeah. Also, don't forget to come to my channel and comment there. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys, because I need you to tell me what you love from my side. What would you love to see? Yeah, I'm ready to show you. I'm here for you to embrace our African culture, to entertain you, to please you, to flatter you because you are my bosses. Okay, guys? Yes, I'm telling you the truth. I love doing this because being a chef, you're also supposed to know about where the food comes from. And also you need to know the quality or the kind of food you are eating. What does it help in your body? By knowing that, you'll use food as your medicine. You will never go to the chemist or the pharmacist for medication. But we don't say that we want to deny them any beauty. So what we do, I prefer taking food as my medicine because it makes me be at my duty. every time. More so fruits. Kindly guys, eat fruits, eat a lot of greens. You know what I mean. We need fiber in our body. We need folic acid in our body. We need to be strong. For instance, we need like vitamin C, and most vitamins are being found in the greens and fruits. So you are most welcome, guys. Just also, if you have a way to plant okra, I've been saying about okra. Please, okra is the best. Just make okra to be like your skuma or your tea. It's good for the body. Okra, ripe banana, and other fruits, guys. Yeah. So now I'm done with the onions, carrots, and other stuff. So I want to make the spinach. Because I don't have lettuce, I'm gonna use the spinach because it goes the same way. And also we have cabbage. I'll use a little bit of it so that it's like garnishing, in fact. Yeah, because the salads are so good. Those people with breast cancer, diabetes, arthritis, you are supposed to be eating a lot of salads. Yeah, it's good. It's good for those patients. So our pasta is almost ready. Within 5 minutes time, it should be ready to be served. And this should put salt. So when you want to make the spinach, any kind of vegetable, wash it good. Use a lot of water to drain the sand in it or the aphids, because things we bring from the farm direct, you find them, they have a lot of insect inside or something hiding inside. You wash them good, and anything you make, cook the food like you are the one who is going to consume. Make food with love and be happy when you're making food, guys. The food does the magic on the other side for those who are going to consume. Yeah, that is the magic in the kitchen. So guys, I'm done with the salata. I need also to strain the water from the pasta and serve it. Yeah. So for our salad, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a little bit of black pepper, salt, and I garnish it with lemon. Yeah, I can use a half of lemon juice. Yeah, one of the lemon juice. I will cut it half. I squeeze on top of it. That is garnishing. If we had olive oil, I'll also garnish with it, but I'm not sure if it's around. For now, I'm going to use whatever that is around. Yeah, guys. I don't think I can do much because already we have a lot of food here. So this is for those people who love salad. That is it. For now, I'm just doing a little bit because we have a lot of food, and I don't know, maybe they are going to introduce the salad to them. I want to try them. But in my office, I usually make salad. Any meal, when it's lunchtime or supper, we have to put salad on the table. For my Baba Sale. I miss you all where you are. Because he used to take salads. Every recipe on the table, it needs a salad. So that is it. For now, I'm doing it a little bit. We want to try and see how is their reaction going to be. Yeah. So now here, because the salad has to be a little bit for the start, we'll use the lemon and the salt. Salt, a little bit of salt. I am not sure. Tunafanya traditional way. Yeah. And I'll bring lemon, I garnish on top of it, and black pepper. That is our salad. Yeah, this is black pepper. A little bit of it. So when you are squeezing your lemon, you use a fork if you don't have a squeezer. But there's a squeezer. So that's how we do it. and then we take a foil. We call it sirvan in Arabic. Sirvan. So because guys, let me look for something. 1 minute.
Yes.
So, guys, what I do, whenever I want to make lemon, I use a fork to squeeze it first because it's not tender. Paris, au umemaliza? Wanaweza ulizwa kama wanaweza pewa chakula. Sister yako kukali. Bado. Sasa shida ndizi itakuwa. Itabidi tena nini? Nishafinya hii kwanza, nataka kustrain. So our lemons look so fresh. Sometimes they give us tough time to squeeze. I will have to use all of it. And also the remaining of the lemon peels, I don't throw them. I put them in my soap dish for the utensils to remove the smell. Yeah. For any soap, maybe when I'm cleaning the house. Yeah. So I had to use all of the lemon because it doesn't have enough juice. Sometimes you may not have to put the salt. You can use only lemon juice because it works as a catalyst. So, because I'm not seeing a sieve, I can use this one to strain the seeds. So everything is ready, guys. My salata is ready. We need some towels here to wipe our hands. So this one is done. We need to start cleaning everywhere. Whenever you are cooking, you need to maintain the sanity. The table or wherever the kitchen. Yeah. So the salad is ready. This one, guys, if you can eat only salad and you survive. Sometimes when I'm very tired, I use the salad as my food. Thanks to Madam Sandos, when she's taking that, I shout out to her. I miss her. Yeah, because she used to eat salad. I also got addicted. Yeah. So salad is good. I can try it. It's good. This one is ready. Mkuje mzime gas yenu. Saladi yangu iko tayari. Yeah. Nimetengeneza saladi kidogo kwa sababu ni siku ya kwanza tuwatengenezee hivi.
I wish I was here to see that.
I will show you. I'll be showing you because every meal wanapenda salad ikiwa karibu nao. Hatuna ile foil, clean foil tufunika. Yeah. So that you can close it. So now guys, it's time to clean everywhere before we start serving the food. At least we just go fresh.
This lady here is a lifesaver.
And this lady here, she's a beautiful soul. Yeah. She invited me to her office. Yeah. Now I've come and I've become like the mama here.
She's very quick, hardworking, you know. People you want around to help. I can do the African village way, but this one sometimes I'm not so good at it.
But you're doing good, my dear. Yeah, you're doing very good.
Oh, I thought you cut.
I didn't. So we wanted to try it. Now, thank you guys. See you in the next vlog.
Oh, we're still serving. I'll help her record this.
Do it in the other side. Bado wako. So ni nani anapeleka? Sasa hii
naweza peleka sasa ni sawa.
Yeah, so masinia. We need our masinia to be ready. So it's time for serving, guys. I don't know whether we put here the spaghetti. We call it pasta. Maji ya kurinse.
Hii maji nataka itumike kuondoa hizi mauchafu. For the meantime. Hii maji, wasichana wetu wako wapi? Mgongo. Hii kuinama kwa meza yenye iko chini. My people, you know we do our thing. Let's do it with love. Support our sisters here. I'm addicted to the kitchen. I cannot sit when someone is working somewhere. I'm crazy. That's me. But thanks to my dad, Jay, and my mama, Jay, wherever you are, I love you so much. You did this. Everything you did, it's now I'm seeing the outcome. So, our supergates are ready. And call them fast. Because I am not seeing a strainer, so we are doing it like this. Mashallah. Sometimes spaghetti can be weird. So I'm done. This water, I'm not going to throw it away, guys, because today we're making goat soup. The goat soup for you see our salawa. Let me tell you. Oh my God! Can they come and help me to put this on the rice also? We need also to put the rice, guys. The foil. So I need to wash, rinse before I serve. That's the routine. You wash, you rinse. You stir the water. Oh guys, so it's time for rice. And also where it is serving the rice. Wamegomea, is it okay with her? No, I don't know what to do because I am not sure if we should. Guys, let's wait a little bit.